I'm going to talk more about what it truly takes to have a great conversation with somebody. One of my very good students said to me a long time ago that one of the scariest, best, and most interesting things about Adam is I never have a conversation where I don't already have an idea of what I want the outcome to be. And actually I do this a lot when I do business negotiations with somebody. Before I go into a negotiation or before I meet somebody, I always sit down, take a moment, and I think to myself, sometimes I'll even write it down, what is the one thing that I want to get out of this interaction? And now this is very important. I always make sure that that thing isn't something I'm taking from the other person. Whatever it is, I want it to be a win-win. I want it to be something that benefits me, but also benefits them. And what I'll do is I know that during my interaction with them, I'm going to bring up this point after the conversation's got into full flow. So we spoke earlier about good conversational topics. So if I was to think about the overarching view of my conversation, it would be to get into a conversation ideally via an introduction, as we spoke about earlier. Once I'm into the conversation, then I want to be talking about conversational topics that benefit both of us, that we both enjoy, that has a good conversation. And then finally, I want to bring up what I would call the crux of the conversation, the whole point of why we're having this conversation. And that is for me to present a win-win, a situation where the other person is going to get something that's going to benefit them, and I'm going to get something that benefits me. And providing we both agree that what we want is going to come out of this, then we now have a mutual thing that we can do in the future. Now, in a dating scenario, it can be really easy. It can be simply that I want to watch this particular movie and I'm looking for somebody to come with me. If they want to watch the movie too, then what we both get out of this win-win situation is we both get to go and watch the movie. If they don't want to watch the movie, then this is somebody that potentially I don't even want a relationship with. Because if they don't want to see a film that I really want to see, we're going to have a lot of problems down the line, years down the line. We're going to be arguing over what movie we want to see. And so you see that my conversational skills are actually helping me identify who I want to date, rather than thinking, man, what movie do I have to pick in order to get this person to go on a date with me? I don't want to be picking movies based on what they want. I want to be picking movies based on what I want, and I want to be with somebody that has that same connection with me. And so you can see by having that shift of focus away from how do I attract this person to how do I have a good conversation with somebody and bring up a scenario that's potentially a win-win, and then if they don't want to go for that, then I'm willing to let that person go, really puts me in a stronger position. It makes it so that I'm a chooser rather than somebody who is being chosen, and that makes it a lot easier for me to control the situation. I'm the one that gets to pick and choose who I want to be with based on my criteria, and if somebody doesn't fit up to my criteria, I'm going to move on and I'm going to continue through the situation. So this is a real big key to conversation, is knowing what you want to get out of the interaction. And that really is what I would call like the prime point of my conversation. And most of my conversations have that. If I'm going to talk to somebody, I want to achieve a win-win. And once I've achieved the win-win, then the conversation after that will shift into either a discussion where we'll bring up a topic that's really interesting to both of us, or we'll move on to the next topic of conversation or the next activity. And so my conversations are all very directed, and there's a reason for every single one of them.